There was once a king who discovered a rare, glowing flower, so delicate and beautiful that it completely captivated his heart. Its soft light shimmered in the night, and from that moment on, he could think of nothing else. Each day he planted more of these flowers, watching them carefully, protecting them fiercely. What began as admiration slowly turned into obsession. Seasons passed. The warm summers faded into cold winters. Years slipped quietly away. His hair slowly turned gray, and the joy that once lived in his eyes began to disappear. Yet still he continued uprooting every other flower in the garden, determined to create a kingdom of nothing but perfection. The queen watched from a distance, her heart growing heavy. One by one, the colorful blooms vanished. The laughter they once shared in that garden slowly faded into silence. One dark evening, carrying a small lantern, she walked through the empty paths. The air felt cold. The garden no longer smelled of life, only of sameness. She gently reached out to him, hoping to remind him of love, of balance, of what truly mattered. But the king, lost in his restless obsession, pushed her away. The vases crashed to the ground, fragile petals scattered across the stone floor, and as a cold wind swept through the garden, so did his peace of mind. Obsession, when left unchecked, does not create perfection. It destroys everything we once loved. Let us remember to let go before our desires consume us, so we can protect what truly matters and move forward with wisdom, balance, and peace.